Hello! So today we're gonna play Bus Simulator Mud. So today we're going to do the woo. So yay! So sit tight and enjoy. So we're gonna just open the door. We go enter. Stay there. Turn the key on. Start the engine. Can you hear me? So we're going to just go for test ride. So yeah. Okay. So unlock this. So we're gonna put this up. We'll get to this right here. So here we go for the car ride. Go for car ride. Just zoom in. There we go. I can't. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. If I want to go drive, just leave a comment, okay? Thank you for watching John's Matt. Thank you. Peace out.